Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. My son is a year and a half old and he loves being outside. And he also loves cars and trucks. We got this little Tikes cozy truck ride-on and I love it so much, but of course he loves it even more. He spends so much time on this and I love that it's perfect for inside or outside. One of the best parts about it is it has a removable floorboard, so he's a little small to push himself along with it right now, so his feet aren't dragging underneath when we're pushing him around. Another thing I love about it is this horn. He loves to honk the horn, and it is such a cute little sound. I love that he can climb in and out by himself by opening the door. Also, I love how big these wheels are. It's perfect for outside. It can go over the yard, it can go down the road, it can go over anything. It's perfect for rough terrain. The trunk pulls down so that he can put his toys in it. And there's a handle on the back so that we can push him around without having to lean over. My son spends hours playing with this truck inside and outside. So I highly recommend it. I think you're gonna love it too. But that's just my point of view.